tributes are pouring in for the beloved dancer, television producer, and DJ Stephen tWitch Boss, who died Tuesday by suicide. Dancer Jojo Siwa, who worked as a judge alongside Boss on the reality dance program So You Think You Can Dance, wrote on Instagram, "tWitch was a best friend and a mentor, not just to me, but to so many." Fellow judge Leah Remini wrote, "He had such a passion and love for dance and guiding artists and the contestants on the show."
This is absolutely ridiculous. I never thought that a dance floor would take me this far.
Boss broke into Hollywood as a former contestant on So You Think You Can Dance, as well as DJ and co-executive producer of The Ellen Show. Host Ellen DeGeneres wrote on Twitter, "He was my family, and I loved him with all my heart." Kaylin Allen, fellow personality on the show, wrote, "We were each other's #1 fan, and often the light in each other's darkest hours." As more celebrities honored Boss online, several others spoke on the importance of mental health and checking in on loved ones. Boss's wife, Allison Holker, said in a statement, "To say he left a legacy would be an understatement, and his positive impact will continue to be felt." If you need to talk to someone, call the Suicide and Crisis Lifeline by dialing 988 or text HOME to the crisis text line at 741-741. Casey Mendoza, Newsy.